JBL just dropped an absolute monster of a speaker, the PartyBox 720. Imagine 800 watts of JBL Pro Sound, a built-in Lightshow, and 15 hours of battery life. All packed into a rolling, splash-proof design. This isn't just a speaker, it's a portable nightclub. Now, the PartyBox 720 is big. We're talking 95 centimeters tall and weighing in at 31 kilos. Definitely not a speaker you'll be carrying around, but JBL thought ahead. It comes with rugged wheels and an ergonomic handle, so you can roll it into any party like a suitcase full of bass. This beast houses to 9-inch woofers and dual 1.25-inch tweeters, pumping out bass that drops as low as 32 Hz while keeping the highs sharp and crystal clear. That's club-level sound, and it's designed to keep your dance floor moving all night. And get this, the 720 runs on swappable batteries for up to 15 hours of non-stop playtime. Need more? A quick 10-minute charge adds to extra hours. And with optional backup batteries, the party literally never has to end. But it's not just about sound. JBL added a dynamic Lightshow system with story patterns, flowing trails, and strobes that sync perfectly with your music. And for creators, DJs, or karaoke fans, the PartyBox 720 supports USB-O line-in, plus dual XLR inputs for mix and instruments. It also runs on Bluetooth 5.4, supports files like MP3, WAV, and FLAC, and even comes with Oracast support, so you can link multiple JBL speakers together. The dedicated PartyBox app lets you control EQ, sound, and lighting right from your phone. The JBL PartyBox 720 is up for pre-order now at $1,099.95, with shipping starting September 21st, 2025. So tell me, would you drop $1,000 on this rolling party machine or stick with something smaller? Drop your thoughts in the comments, smash that like button if you love big sound, and don't forget to subscribe for more epic tech updates. Thanks for watching, peace out.